Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best fireplace glass cleaner is probably one of the most important tools for wood-burning stove owners, ensuring not only a crystal clear view of the mesmerizing flames but also contributing to the safety and efficiency of your stove. A clean glass pane allows for optimal heat distribution and prevents the buildup of dangerous creosote, while also enhancing the overall ambience of your home. Today, we will explore the top-rated fireplace glass cleaners on the market, helping you choose the perfect one to keep your stove sparkling and your home warm. Number 5. Quick and Brite Fireplace Kit. This kit makes cleaning your fireplace a breeze. It has everything you need for a sparkling clean hearth in minutes. From glass cleaner to scrub brush, it's all here. You'll get a thorough clean, leaving your fireplace looking brand new. Say goodbye to soot and grime. It will restore your fireplace to its former glory, revealing its natural beauty. Simply spray, scrub, and wipe. It's designed for easy use on cold surfaces, with clear instructions for both glass and hearth cleaning. It's made with earth-conscious ingredients. It's free of harsh chemicals, parabens, and animal products, so you can clean with a clear conscience. Quick and Brite has been a trusted name in cleaning for over 70 years. It's a family-owned company, proudly made in the USA. What we like. This kit has everything you need for a thorough clean, from glass cleaner to microfiber cloth. It's also earth-conscious, with no harsh chemicals. If you value convenience and environmental responsibility, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This product made the smoke buildup on my fireplace easy to clean up. I highly recommend Quick and Brite Fireplace Gel Cleaner. It does an amazing job at removing soot with minimal effort. The gel formula clings to the surface, breaking down the grime without needing heavy scrubbing. It's non-abrasive, so it doesn't damage the stone, and I appreciate that it's made in the USA. Many decades of soot and grime have come off with the first round. Some of the areas that were absolutely black with soot will need a second go-round, but the results are well worth it. Number 4. Rutland Hearth and Grill Glass Cleaner. Say goodbye to soot and creosote buildup on your ceramic glass. This cleaner makes cleaning quick and easy, leaving your glass sparkling. It features gentle microscrubbers that won't scratch your delicate glass surfaces. They effectively remove tough grime without causing damage. It effortlessly tackles soot, creosote, and other stubborn buildup, leaving your glass looking its best. It leaves an invisible silicone coating. This keeps your glass cleaner for longer, making future cleanings a breeze. This 8-ounce bottle is perfectly sized for convenient use and storage. It's the perfect addition to your cleaning supplies. It's simply the best way to clean ceramic glass in your home. Experience the difference today. What we like. It's specially designed for ceramic glass, leaving an invisible silicone coat for lasting cleanliness. If you're looking for a gentle yet effective cleaner for your delicate glass surfaces, this is the one for you. It makes future cleanings a breeze. What people say. Works far better than anything else I've tried to get creosote off glass in high-efficiency fireplace. Also seems to condition the glass and slow buildup, resulting in less frequent cleaning. Every time before I light the stove I wipe the glass with a paper towel, and about once each week I clean the glass thoroughly with this product. And the glass in our wood stove still looks almost as clean and clear as the day it was installed. I love that this product is so easy to apply to a cold wood stove glass. It wipes off creosote very easily with a paper towel, no scraping needed. Number 3. MEECO'S Red Devil 701. Say goodbye to stubborn creosote and soot. This powerful cleaner is designed for wood, pellet, and coal stoves, making cleaning a breeze. It tackles even the most baked-on messes. Its industrial-strength formula cuts through creosote, smoke, soot, and dirt effectively. Application is simple and mess-free. The convenient spray bottle makes it easy to apply and use. It's tough on dirt but gentle on your stove's glass. You'll get a sparkling clean finish without any damage. For easy cleaning, simply spray and wipe. For stubborn stains, let it soak for a while before wiping. Remember, it's not for gas stoves. This high-quality cleaner is made right here in the USA. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a trusted American-made product. What we like. This industrial-strength formula tackles even the most stubborn baked-on creosote. It's incredibly easy to use with a convenient spray bottle. If you need a powerful cleaner that gets the job done quickly and efficiently, this is your best bet. What people say. Works extremely well, makes cleaning fireplace glass as easy as any window. Spray it on and wipe it clean. Heavy buildup just requires it to sit for a minute or two, then wipe clean. No scraping, no scrubbing, highly recommend. This stuff works great on the glass doors on our fireplace insert. Just spray, leave on a few minutes and wipe with a paper towel. I've used multi-purpose cleaners to get rid of soot on my stove's window, and they all needed elbow grease and multiple applications. This stuff dissolved a heavy deposit of soot almost immediately. It's a whole new ball game. Number 2. Rutland Fireplace Glass Cleaner. This cleaner is perfect for keeping your fireplace glass sparkling. It's a liquid cleaner, unlike cream-based options, so it's gentle on surfaces. Whether your fireplace is inside or outside, it can handle the job. Use it to easily clean glass surfaces, both indoors and outdoors. It's designed to protect your glass surfaces. Say goodbye to streaks and hello to a sparkling clean fireplace. It's made right here in the USA with high-quality ingredients. You can trust in its quality and effectiveness. It's tough on dirt and grime, but gentle on your surfaces. It contains no harsh chemicals, like ammonia, making it safe for your home. For a sparkling clean fireplace, choose Rutland. It's the perfect solution for maintaining the beauty of your fireplace. What we like. It's a great value with a large bottle size, perfect for frequent use. It's also ammonia-free, making it a safer choice for your home. If you need a versatile, long-lasting cleaner for both indoor and outdoor use, this is a smart choice. What people say. This glass cleaner is great at getting the black off our wood stove glass. It dissolves fast and wipes clean. I had been using razor blade with Windex and Simple Green to clean the glass door of my pellet stove fireplace. This product cuts through all the grime without use of razor blades. I'll never use anything differently. I use it every time I clean the stove. I just wipe it on with one paper towel, no scrubbing necessary, then I wipe it clean with another towel. I love it. Number 1. MEECO'S Red Devil 702 Refill. Say goodbye to stubborn creosote and soot. This powerful cleaner makes maintaining your wood stove glass a breeze. It's designed to tackle even the most baked-on messes, leaving your glass sparkling clean. Use it on wood, pellet, and coal stoves. This 64-ounce refill means you'll have plenty of cleaner on hand to keep your stove looking its best. No more running out mid-clean. It's tough on dirt, but gentle on your stove's glass. Enjoy effective cleaning without worrying about damage. Simply spray it on, wipe it off, and admire the results. Remember, it's for wood stoves only. This wood stove glass cleaner is made with pride right here in the USA. Enjoy quality you can trust. What we like. This refill provides a cost-effective way to keep your wood stove glass sparkling. It's just as powerful as the original, tackling baked-on grime easily. If you're looking for a powerful, long-lasting, and economical solution, this is the one for you. What people say. It does work better than other products I have used. I clean the glass after every hot burning and the glass stays like new. If you have a wood stove and glass doors, this is the best to keep the glass clean and clear. Spray it on, let it set for a few minutes and wipe it off. If you've got really thick creosote, it will take several treatments, but it gets it all off. This is an absolute dream product. It cleans the wood stove glass quickly and with hardly any effort. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.